Good morning, everybody. I hope you've all had a nice weekend. We were able to get out and get some fresh air. Miss Siders went for a walk this weekend on Saturday and Sunday, and it was a little bit cold on Saturday with the wind, but it was nice to be outside and get some fresh air. Anything else happen over the weekend? Miss Siders baked a cake yesterday for somebody's birthday who has a birthday. My neighbor has a birthday today, and she turns 18, so I'm making her a cake. And what happened this morning is Miss Sider's alarm went off and I overslept because it kept going off and I didn't hear it. I just kept sleeping. Oh dear. What a way to start the day. But here we are and we're ready to start a new week in our new classroom, which is you there and me here. Are we ready to start circle time? Are you sitting down? Are you being quiet? Yeah? Okay, let's start with open, shut them. No. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my darling. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. We're going to do our calming down. One last time, big breath in, hold it, and out. Excellent. So we are going to talk about the month. Do you remember what the month is? Remember, it starts with the M. M. It is March, yes. We only have a few days left in March. Maybe this week yet. And then we had Saturday and Sunday. That was our weekend. What day comes after Sunday? If you're thinking it begins with a M, you're right. If you're shouting out Monday, that's absolutely correct. Oh, I forgot to do the days of the week song today. Sorry. Well, I'll do it on Wednesday. Sorry about that. And the number for today. Yesterday was number 22. Do you know what the number for today is going to be? I thought we could count to that number today. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. And if you said 23 before, you were absolutely right. Excellent. And so today we are going to start a new letter sound. I have to fix something. And then I'll be right with you. I made the letter backwards on here. So our new letter sound is going to be J. J. And I've written some words on the board like I would at school, except I couldn't write them while I was talking to you, so I wrote them ahead of time. So, j, j. And then we have jump, jump. Maybe you could jump 10 times. Jot. That's like just writing something quick down. And jog. That's running in place. Well, you could run in place like we do at sport lessons sometimes. Jog. And I thought I would write jolly, ja-la-la-ya, like we do for jolly phonics. Okay? So if you can think of some other jug words for today, that would be good. And let's see. And I will send the link to the Jolly Phonics song to your moms and dads, and then you can learn the song. It has to do with jelly, another jug word. Good. Excuse me. And in math today, we're going to start with shapes. So I'm going to show you some shapes, and I'll show what we're going to do today. So this is a square. A square has 4 sides, all the same. So that's square. Can you say square? And what about this guy? He's a star. Can you say star? And this is a triangle. It's got 3 sides. Triangle. Can you say triangle? Sometimes that's a bit tricky for some of you. And what about this guy? He's round. So it's not called a round. It's not a ball either. It's called a circle. Can you say circle? And what do we have here? Yes, it's a heart. Can you say heart? And then we have this guy. He's not exactly round, so we call it an oval. Can you say oval? Good. And then we have one more shape to talk about, and it's and this is really hard for some of you, so let's say it together, rectangle. And you can say it again, rectangle. It's got 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Okay? Now, Miss Siders has sent a video of things around her house that have shapes on it. And maybe you can look around your house and see what different shapes you can find. If you can find a rectangle, circle, square. I had trouble with a triangle, but I did find it, and you'll see it in the video. So that's one thing we're going to do. You can do. And I do have, I know, another paper just for you to work on a little bit. It's a little bit tricky, but it is with shapes and patterns. Remember last week we did patterns? Now this week we're going to do different kind of patterns, but it's still a pattern. So in this picture we have a square and a triangle, and they make a house. And we have one big house, one little house. One big house, one little house. And then what do you think you're going to do after you trace this one? What do you think you're going to make in this one? Yes, a big house, then a little house, then a big house, just all the way to the end. And then we also have, what do they look like? I think they look a bit like trees. And we have a circle, a triangle, a circle, a triangle, circle. I think you can figure that out. And then it gets a little bit trickier. We go here, we have house, tree, house, tree. And look at the shapes they use. Circle for a tree, triangle and square for a house. And then down here, you have to really look down here because this is